Okay.
Great.
Okay.
So we have seen this. We are going to again look at the topic of Google My Business or Google Local Business Listing. Okay, what is local business? As we have already discussed, we can say about any company. Okay, any company that provides goods or services to a local population is considered as a local business. Okay, initially when I came to know about local business, I thought people are selling local quality or low quality third quality product. Okay, but it was not actually the reality. Okay, which means people have a very specific region where they want to sell their product. Okay, so any company that provides goods or services to a local population is considered as a local business, often denoted by the phrase brick and mortar. A local business can be a locally owned business or a corporate business with a unique multiple operations in specific area. Okay, so often denoted by the phrase brick and mortar, a local business that can be locally owned. Okay, business or a corporate, like as I've already said now, the tailor shop. Okay, you can have a local tailor shop that they serve this particular area for 2 to 3 kilometers. So local region, maybe around 10 kilometers they can serve. Okay, and if they have more than 5 to 6 outlets, they can have one outlet in every 10 kilometers or 8 kilometers, and they serve their own area from the outlet where they are right now. Okay, so a particular business can have branches, multiple branches, right? So the same way it works out. And few things are called a KFC, which basically is the brand. Okay, like KFC, there are several brands like McD, okay, and also Noodle King, okay, Madras Coffee House. Okay, there are lots of brands where they have multiple outlets and different local areas, and each and every outlet concentrates on serving the local area where they are right now. Manappuram Finance is one such. Okay, now let us try to get deeper into this one. Now, what is Google My Business? Okay, so Google offers a free service where people can list, add, or connect their business information into Google's Maps interface. Okay, I think Sudipto, you can be on mute. Okay, there is one more ID that you have. You can put yourself on mute. Oh, great. Okay, so Google offers the opportunity for local business owners to create a free portfolio of their business in Google Maps and services for free. You can add your business. I'm going to teach you how to add this business into your services. Okay, for free. Okay, so what actually happens? A business owner owns a business. He creates the portfolio with the business details, and business details like name of his business, services that he offers, okay, and areas he serves, and description of the business. Description of the business, a small description. What time to what time it is open and it is closed, open hours, okay, and website. Okay, open hours, website, and contact number. Okay, that is used to connect with people. The images, photographs of the businesses. Okay, the photographs may be potentially the front view of the office, front view, office view, office view. Okay, interior, I mean to say office view, this is interior, team members photos, team members photos. Okay, all this. Okay, and videos. Okay, so when they have a short videos, they can take it and they can try to promote it. People can also add their ratings and reviews of the businesses, and if they have any offers to launch, they can also put it into their business listing. So this is basically a local business listing. Okay, so this helps to bridge the connection from the customer to the business owner. So basically, so whatever you go out and search online, any services nearby. Okay, when I say drinking water supplier, drinking water supplier, drinking water supply. Okay, so I think in our area there are no people serving water in local places because we are living in a natural area where we get the Western Ghats mountains rain that is like flowing through our village, and we are having a very clean water even that is coming from the tap is highly hygienic, and we drink raw water without boiling it also. You want to have a look at it? Okay, Western Ghats. Okay, so such a beautiful and natural places. Okay, so looks like it's a part of Kodaikanal. It's another part is covered with the Kerala, and one more part is covered with another part of Kerala. So we are sharing two borders with Kerala, and we have Kodaikanal on the other side, and wonderful places like Tekadi, Kumali. Okay, whatever you got it as. You still have to go check out, Theni. Okay, so when you put district, okay, so this is how this looks like. The primary purpose why I want to leave Chennai and come back to my native place is because of the beauty of this particular place. Okay, just got to enjoy a lot. Okay, sure. So we get the pure water, so I'm not getting any people related to selling drinking water or supplying right now. Okay, but what I can do, I can look for a plumber near me, plumber near me. Okay, I can try to get some. See, SAV Plumbing Inc. Okay, and Protect Plumbing, and also Jake's Plumbing LLC. So this is basically the Google My Business listing. Okay, so there are several places where we can look at it, and we can try to have. There is one business near me where I found very easy is Chick Punch. Chick Punch. So this is the name of the stall. Okay, so Chick Punch, which has got like 112 reviews. I think it is in Punjab. No, so Chick Punch in near me. I have to search. Okay, so near me approximately. Am I pronouncing it wrong? Not even Chick Punch. When I go and search pizza near me, it is going to tell me Chick Punch only. Okay, pizza near me. Okay, so did I change my location? Okay, let me come down to the bottom. Oh, my location is unknown. Actually,
You have shifted.
should be like my local location.
You have shifted somewhere else.
Google is crazy. Okay. Okay. So pizza near
Yes.
me in Godinaikanur. Spelling mistake is not a problem. Okay. Now again, so there is something. So the data is not getting synced. So Google is unable to find my location. Okay. Anyway, cool. So this is basically the local business listing. So potentially a business listing will have the details about name of the business, services offered, area served, and the description of the business details and other stuff. Okay. And so there is one thing called the knowledge panel with respect to Google. When people search, the information is shown on the right side. Okay. When there is new businesses, more businesses available, Google will show with the Google local pack, which is basically called three pack system in search engine results page. Okay. So three different business listing will be shown. That is one. And when you have a look at this one, Google will also show you business information when is the service is open, when the service is closed. Okay, we can use the famous searches like there is one famous restaurant in Chennai. I think it is Seashell. Seashell. Okay, Seashell. Okay, in Chennai. So that's really a wide range of network also available. Okay, Savory Seashell restaurant, I think. Okay, Savory Seashell, which is there in OMR, it's there in T Nagar, Tambaram. Okay, that's a lot. So we can click on view all. Now what happens? Almost 2,200 people have reviewed this business. And what are the information that this particular person has updated? I've been to this place in Percheri. Okay, cool. So 2,200 people have reviewed this business. The address of the location is given. The closing time is given. And dineout.co.in is where people go and reserve their seats. And people can order through Swiggy and get it delivered to their home address. But the beauty is their phone number is missing. Very bad. And Google can also show the photos added by the business owners or by the people who went for dining. So they upload the photos. Okay. And they also rate and review. This is a good place to eat, good place to stuff, to roam around, to have fun, partying, okay, team outing, birthday parties, whatever it may be. Okay. So Google's responsibility is to show this information to people whenever they search whatever they want. Basically, so I can conclude this one as an introduction, okay, or a summary about Google's local business listing. The three different listings that is being displayed are called Google Local Pack, okay, and the Google Knowledge Panel, which is shown on the right side window of the particular search engine's results page. Okay,